line symmetry. Now in symmetry we have line symmetry. Line symmetry means when any figure is divided into two identical parts by the dotted line. As we have seen in these figures also, that the figure is divided into two identical parts by a dotted line. We can say that this line is showing the line symmetry in all these figures. Now if you want to conclude, you would have that one half of the figure fits exactly over other half. That means the figure is going to be symmetric about the dotted line. If, as we discussed, the one part of the figure fits the other part, as when you fold it, the one part is going to overlap the other part completely, then we say that the figure is symmetric about the dotted line. Next we have the conclusion as, if mirror is placed on the dotted line, the image of one side of picture will fall on the other side exactly. If you place a mirror on this dotted line, you are going to find that one part must be having the image such that they will be fitting exactly each other. So we can say that the line of symmetry can be considered as a mirror line. So you have a dotted line that is known as the line of symmetry also, and you can consider it to be a mirror also, right? So we can have a dotted line, line of symmetry or mirror line. All the three are going to have divided the figure into two equal parts such that when you fold them along the dotted line, such that one part overlaps the other or coincides the other completely. That will represent the line symmetry.